Hello there, very good evening to you. Much of the UK saw, I'm afraid, a rather wet and windy start to the new week. And I'm afraid for most of us that continues for the next 24 to 48 hours. But then pressure starts building from the south, so things really starting to settle down from midweek onwards. And by the end of the week, most of us should be seeing some decent weather. So if we look ahead to tonight, we've got a frontal system which has moved in from the Atlantic, lying across the spine of the UK, so wet and windy throughout, particularly windy up towards the far northwest where gales are expected. Through tomorrow, I'm afraid, again, for most of us, little escape from the cloud and rain. The rain's going to be fairly showery with some heavy bursts expected. The country topped and tailed by the best of the sunshine, and in the best of the sunshine across the eastern parts of Scotland, a high of 17. Good night. Hello again, a very good evening to you. There is a fair amount of rain around across the UK as we move through the night. A system is lying draped across many western areas, and as you can see, it's giving a fair amount of the wet stuff. We're also seeing low misty cloud blowing in as well, and some fairly strong southwesterly winds, but out across the more sheltered eastern areas, it's a fairly still and clear night, temperatures staying well above the seasonal average. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow, the remnants of that system still very much in force across the northwestern parts. This little rain symbol here just denotes the chance of a little bit of light and patchy rain in places, but largely dry, and elsewhere some really good spells of sunshine. In the best of that sunshine in lovely Norwich, we could see highs rising to 20 Celsius. Good night, see you tomorrow.